Nourish Beauties. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something I personally love. My everyday no foundation glow look. It's super quick, fresh and perfect for college, office or basically any day you want to put together without spending forever in front of the mirror. Before anything else, I am starting with a little lip balm. It keeps my lips soft from the beginning, so when we put lipstick on later, it looks smooth and stays comfortable all day. Next, a quick spray of toner. It's like a mini morning refresh for my skin. It also helps the rest of my products glide on better so everything feels light. Now, moisturizer is something I never skip, even on my laziest morning. It keeps the skin plump and stops any dry patches from peeking through the makeup. By the way, a tip: if you have a oily skin, go for a gel, and if you have a dry skin, a cream works the best. I am using my everyday favorite here. Of course, sunscreen is the next, and this is non negotiable. It protects your skin from sun damage, helps prevent premature aging, and keeps that glow looking fresh for years to come. Today, I am adding a bit of primer because I will be out even after college, so I want my makeup to last. But if you are in a rush or don't want to have one, you can totally skip this step. Your look will still turn out fresh and natural. So today, instead of foundation, I am going straight into the concealer. I am placing it under my eyes, around my lips corner and on the sides of nose and a little bit on a forehead to brighten. The idea is to cover only where it is needed so the rest of my skin can breathe. Blending gently is the key. I am tapping it so it melts right into without looking cakey. For the eyes, I am keeping it fuss free. Just a soft stroke of kajal for the definition and one coat of mascara to open them up. Mascara is my secret weapon for looking more awake in seconds even if I had zero coffee. Now for lips, I am lining them lightly for the shape and then filling them with my everyday lipstick. It's one of those shades I can wear anywhere without thinking twice, and it stays put through classes to coffee breaks. For cheeks, I am layering today. First, a warm orange blush to bring life to my face, then setting everything with the compact so it stays all day. After that, I am adding a soft pink blush on top that healthy, just stepped outside flush. This combo means that I don't need even a highlighter. The glow looks natural and effortless. Now, quickly filling in my brows. Nothing too bold, just enough so they look neat and frame my face. Last step, watch on a little perfume and I am done. My quick no foundation glow look. Simple, minimal, perfect for busy mornings. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And also for bookings, you can DM me. I would love to create something special for you. Bye.